and I'm gonna be doing a 30-day challenge, which is gonna be my front split and my middle split. So I'm gonna post a video every day and show the progression for the next 30 days. So I'll show you where I'm at right now. So I'll show you my front left split. That's my front left split. Here's my middle split. And here's my right front split. So I have a lot to work to do. So I'll post a video of this every single day. Thank you.